meter ring.
A meter ring?
Yeah, because I cut the ring.
Oh, gotcha. Well, we didn't say that on tape. We didn't cut any rings. I don't know what he's talking about. Yeah. He's talking about wedding rings. Okay, so you need the temporary ring, right?
Yeah, it's a temporary ring.
Look, guys. He needs a temporary ring for our meter socket. You think we have any rings? Look at how many rings we got. I didn't even know we had this many rings. What else did he need?
1.25 brown bushing.
1.25 brown bushing. We know that this is 1/2 inch, 3/4, 1 inch, 1.25 inch. You said 1.25 ground bushing? Right here. Should be right here. Boom. 1.25 inch.
Okay, good.
Dang. Look at that. I can't believe it. We actually have all the parts right there in the warehouse. That's the whole point. All right, let's get to Beverly Hills.